Microsoft spends billions to buy Activision Blizzard. The $69 billion acquisition of Activision Blizzard by Microsoft has been completed successfully. The biggest consumer technology transaction since AOL acquired Time Warner. Even though Microsoft has received clearances from several nations, the FTC is still pursuing a lawsuit against a merger, which might result in a drawn-out judicial procedure. The agreement may improve Microsoft's position and change the video game business, especially in the mobile gaming space. In this regard, Activision's King division, best known for Candy Crush, offers a significant advantage. It is anticipated that games like Call of Duty, which bring in over $30 billion annually, will be available on Microsoft's Game Pass subscription service.